Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Hotel and Suites at the Falls. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. This hotel features a flat-screen cable TV and free Wi-Fi. Maid of the Mist, offering boat tours of Niagara Falls, is 1,950 feet away. Each of the rooms at the Quality Hotel and Suites at the Falls are equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, work desk and a coffee maker. A hairdryer and clock radio are also included in each room. This hotel offers an indoor pool and relaxing hot tub. The Falls Quality Hotel is 1,800 feet from Seneca Niagara Casino and Hyde Park Golf Course is 3.7 miles away. Niagara Falls State Park is 1,150 feet away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.